Alright, boys and girls, it is turbo time here for the Doom Buggy, so we're going to get to work building the header. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get into this. Alright, so we got our header here. We put the V-band on here so we can separate it all out. Haven't put the flange on for the turbo yet. I gotta get the new turbos, and I gotta make a flange, but I can get all the rest of it welded. It tacked all pretty good. There is one spot over here with a small gap we're gonna fill. Shouldn't be too much drama, but I'm gonna go around and just do sections of this and try and get it all welded in like half, and all that stuff. So we'll probably make a time lapse out of this. Well, there we go, ladies and gentlemen. I spared you the boredom of me flipping the thing around and welding 6 million times. It's not horrible looking. I'm not perfection at welding, nor do I really care anymore, you know? It's got some bad spots. It's got some nice ones. Alright, it's not boogers, but it ain't beauty queen either. So it'll stick together. Eventually we are going to put some braces, some diagonals in here. Probably one from here to the bolt hole with like a hole drilled there for that, so this can all get separated. And I dare not touch it because it's hot. And something diagonal here just to kind of give this a little more strength, because this is out with weight on it. It will be moving. The motor is rubber mounted, so we'll probably do something from the turbo over. I'm thinking actually, let's go over here, something from the 10 bolts to the turbo is my thought. Just give it a little something, maybe like a piece of angle iron or something, better than flat stock. Don't really want to hook the carburetors. These are already kind of high up and leveraged, you know, but there's two basically unused screws there, so might as well, right? But that's about it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Get out there, work on your projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we're going to keep on going on this thing, even though it's turning into a big ball of wax. This was supposed to be basically a stalker. And as you can see, we've already gone down the rabbit hole quite a bit on this. So anyways, boys and girls, stay tuned. We'll get this thing on the road soon.